Hi everybody, Mr. Owens here. I'm going to be going over how to solve volume of prisms. And so this is a new topic for you. And volume, the definition of volume is that it's the space inside of a three-dimensional shape. So really it's just like area, except it's three-dimensional. So area is for space inside two-dimensional shape. Volume is for three-dimensional shapes. And the way you find the volume of a prism is you multiply the area of the base times the height, right? The area of the base times the height. And Edgenuity will give you a lot of different formulas for this, but I would just recommend thinking about it as the area of the base times the height, okay? So obviously it's really important to be able to figure out which side is the base, right? Which face is the base of the prism. So let's work with this one. I made the base green. There are two bases, so you can see it. And the base, you notice, is a rectangle, right? So the volume is the area of the base times the height. So the base, to find the area of the rectangle on the bottom, the green rectangle, right, we do the base times height, or length times width, right? I'll do length times width. So that's 10 times 6. The 10 and the 6 will give you the area of this rectangle in there. Okay. And then the height of the prism is 4. So you're just multiplying these three numbers together, right? 10 times 6 is 60. 60 times 4 is 240 inches cubed. And that's it. That's really all you're doing there. Let's do a triangular prism now. So again, I colored in the bases. The bases are triangles, so that you can see how we're going to do this. So the volume is the area of the base times the height, okay? And the base is a triangle, so to find the area of a triangle, you do 1/2 times the base times the height of the triangle. So that's 1/2 times 5 times 3. Okay, I guess this should be right there. And then that's going to be times the actual height of the prism, which is 8, right? So it's really just the other length. So instead of thinking of it as the height, you can think of it as whatever the other side is, the other length is. So now we just have to multiply these numbers together. And remember, in multiplication, the order doesn't really matter so much. So I'm gonna, I don't want to do 1/2 times 5 or 1/2 times 15, so I'm just going to multiply all of these numbers together. And remember, you can use a calculator for this if you need. So 5 times 8 is 40, 40 times 3 is 120, half of 120 is 60, so 60 inches cubed is the volume. That's the other thing. When we write volume, it's the units, and then we write cubed with a 3 right here. And that's because it's in 3 dimensions. So remember area, if you found the area, it would be in inches squared. Now we're doing inches cubed for volume because it's in 3 dimensions. All right, I hope that helps a little bit, and email me if you have any questions. Good luck.